Now, before I show you how you can create it, I thought it would be okay if I explain to those viewers that don't know what a sitemap is. So a sitemap is a file where you provide information about the pages, videos, and other files on your website and the relationship between them. So a sitemap helps Google search bots to crawl through your website easily, right? So what are some of the benefits of having a sitemap? The first benefit is it gives better visibility to search engines. Like I said, it helps search engine bots like Google bots to crawl through your website, right? And the second one is it can offer the opportunity to link search engine with any changes made to the site immediately after it happened. So if you make changes to your website, it will a sitemap will help Google search or other search engines like BIG to catch up with your changes that you made to your website. So what are the sites that need to have a sitemap? Although to be honest, there is no downside to having a sitemap. Even though you didn't create a sitemap for your website, Google search bot will still crawl through your website. But there are some sites that really need to have a sitemap, and these are if you are running a really large website. So if your website is way too big, you need to create a sitemap for it so Google bots can be able to crawl through your website, and this will help you rank on Google search engines, right? So the other website is your site has a large archive of content pages that are isolated or not well linked to each other. So if you like some of your links in your website is not well linked, then I would prefer you create a sitemap for your website. And then the other thing is your site is new or has a few external links to it. So yeah, if your website is brand new, then I would prefer you create a sitemap for it. And then the last point is your site has a lot of rich media like videos, images, or is shown in Google search. So if you are running or you are operating a website that only have videos on it or a lot of image and it doesn't have a lot of text, it would be a good idea if you can create a sitemap for it. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick introduction to those viewers that don't know what a sitemap is and what the use of it. So I hope now you do know what a sitemap is. So yeah, with that being said, other than that, that was it for this tutorial. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.